Wanna know how to do this word by word caption animation? I show it to you. Let's animate these captions word by word. It's super easy to do.
So let's use this clip to show you how to create word-by-word captions. First, go to Text, then Transcript, and click Transcribe. Now that we have the text, we can make some adjustments. For example, you can see that animate is spelled incorrectly, but I'll show you how to fix that once we create the captions. Click on Create Captions and open the settings. Reduce all the sliders so each caption contains only one word. Set lines to single, and then click Create Captions. Once the captions are created, you'll see that they appear word by word. If you notice any double captions, make sure to fix them manually, especially short words like to do, which are often combined. Just select the subtitle layer, make a cut to split them, and then edit the words in the text settings. As you can see, you can still make adjustments here in the text layer, which is very easy to do. Just tweak the words or timing until everything matches the audio perfectly. You can also remove the punctuation marks, and here we can correct the word animate to the proper spelling. Let's check it out now and see how it looks.
Let's animate these captions word by word. It's super easy to do.
Looks very good already. Every word is now on its own line. Highlight all captions, go to Graphics and Titles, and click Upgrade Caption to Graphics. Now we can animate the captions however we want. Drag the preview window to the side so you can see the video and the captions more clearly. This makes it easier to adjust the timing and design while still watching how everything looks in the scene. So let's check our captions again.
Let's animate these captions word by word. It's super easy to do.
Before animating them, select the first caption and go to the Properties panel where we'll make the final adjustments. Double-click the word, choose a font, and in this example we'll use SF Pro Display, which works great for captions. Make sure to use the bold version of the font. You can find the link in the description. Next, increase the size so the captions are easier to read. Reduce the letter spacing a bit so the words feel tighter, which gives that viral caption look. Then go to Shadow and set the last three values to 15, 15, and 170 to create a smooth shadow. As you can see, it already looks much better. Let's switch the caption to uppercase, but you can also leave it as it is. This really depends on your style. Since we don't want to make all these adjustments manually for every caption, there's a nice trick. Go down to Linked Style, click the plus icon, and save this as a preset with all the settings we just created. Just give it a name and choose whether to save it for this project or locally. Once you're done, you'll find the caption preset in your project panel. Now select all your captions and simply drag and drop the preset onto them. This way, all captions instantly get the same style, which saves a lot of time and keeps everything consistent.
Let's animate these captions word by word. It's super easy to do.
Nice, I like it. Now click the ruler icon on the bottom right and drag the guide down to around 1200. This helps position the captions correctly so they fit social media layouts. But of course you can place them wherever you like. Then select the first caption and, in the effect controls, move it up until it aligns with the guide. Copy the vector motion settings from the first caption and paste them onto all the other captions by highlighting them.
Let's animate these captions word by word. It's super easy to do.
Okay, now we can start animating our word-by-word captions. Go to the Effects panel, search for the Transform effect, and drag it onto the first caption. In the Effect controls, go to the first frame and set a keyframe on position. Move the playhead close to the end and set another position keyframe. Then go back to the first frame and move the position slightly down to create a simple animation. If you select both keyframes and right-click, choose Ease In to make the animation smoother. Then open the position arrow and drag the small handle to the left to smooth out the movement even more. You can also make some final adjustments if needed. Like here, you can move the left handle a bit closer to the other one. Even small adjustments can make a difference, but don't get stuck trying to perfect every tiny detail. Go to the first frame and set a keyframe on opacity. Move a few frames forward and create another keyframe. Then go back to the first frame and set the opacity to 0 to create a smooth fade-in effect. Also here, you can make a right-click and ease in the keyframes. Even though this method works well for word-by-word captions, I can show you a much faster way to animate them. For now, let's delete the effects and go to the Effects panel, where you can find my viral caption preset pack. It includes over 20 smooth animations that are ready to use with simple drag and drop. You can download the pack in the description. It's actually my best-selling preset pack because it saves creators a lot of time when making captions. In our example, we can simply drag and drop the smooth slide animation, which instantly gives our captions a really clean and dope look.
Let's animate this caption.
You see, very simple, but super smooth. You can choose from the typical viral caption animations you see all over social media, and as you can see, they're very easy to use. You can also mix different caption animations to keep your videos more dynamic and interesting.
Let's animate these captions word by word.
Small visual changes like this help maintain viewer attention, especially in short-form content where every second counts. Let's choose a few more effects and apply them to the other captions to add some variety to the animation. Mixing different styles makes the captions feel more dynamic and keeps the viewer's attention.
Captions word by word. It's super easy to do.
That's also why this pack saves so much time. Instead of building every animation from scratch, you can simply drag and drop the presets and keep focusing on your edit. Let's check our word-by-word captions out now.
Let's animate these captions word by word. It's super easy to do.
Looks awesome already. What you can do now is highlight a word like Captions, and in the Properties panel, choose a handwritten font to make it stand out more. A great example for this is Zafino. Just decrease the size if it's too big so it matches the other captions. The good thing is that our animation effects stay applied and still work perfectly.
Let's animate these captions word by word. It's super easy to do.
Looks even better with the handwritten style. You can also change the color in the Properties panel. Just go to Fill and choose the color you like. In this example, I'll go with neon green, which works really well. Let's remove the ruler and check out our captions.
Let's animate these captions word by word. It's super easy to do.